Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to use the drop function in Excel. The drop function in Excel is used to remove specific rows and or columns from a range of arrays. It's very useful when you need to include or exclude certain data from a range or data set. Array is the range of data you are working with. The rows are the number of rows you want to exclude from the array. You can enter a positive or negative number. A positive number removes rows from the top, while a negative number removes rows from the bottom. And column, which is optional, is the number of columns you want to exclude from the array. Similar to rows, a positive number removes columns from the left, and a negative number removes columns from the right, as you can see in this example. Also, you can use the drop in a combination with other functions like filter or sort to create more dynamic data views. The rows or argument can be negative to remove from the bottom or positive to remove from the top. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.